Welcome to Your Money Guides, brought to you by Interface Financial Planning.
How financial life planning is different to traditional financial planning. Someone asked Alan recently, what's the difference between a financial planner or advisor and a chartered accountant? Alan can give you a very simple answer. In broad terms, an accountant looks at what's happened financially in the past, whereas an advisor or planner looks to the future. So, an accountant will look at the figures you've done over the past few years, then prepare reports and send them off to HMRC to determine what tax you owe, as an example. A financial planner looks at where you are today and where you're going in the future with your finances and life, perhaps even 10, 15 or 20 years away. So Alan answered that easily, but it got him thinking some more about what he does and how it differs to what he'd call traditional financial planning. There is a difference. Alan is a financial advisor or planner, but he's also a life planner, and the way that he approaches financial advice is by using life planning. It differs from traditional financial advising and planning, yet it's easily confused. Firstly, a traditional financial advisor advises on money, but a life planner advises on a person's life. There's obviously the money side too, which is very involved, but they're hand in hand. A traditional financial planner takes over the responsibility of your finances and spots the problems. A life planner can also see those problems, but empowers you to take the right action and take responsibility for your finances, finding solutions. So when Alan talks to a client about their finances, he thinks of it in life terms, not in money terms. He talks to them about what they'd like for their future. And money is usually the root of making those desires come true. It's the enabler. A traditional financial planner likely won't ask what you want for the future, but simply advise you to invest in an ISA, to have some money down the line, or contribute to a pension scheme so you've got a sum when you retire. Whereas Alan goes further. As a life planner, Alan wants to know exactly what your goals are and find a way to get you there. Let's look at an example. Say you go and visit Alan, and he asks you what your aspirations are for when you retire. You might say you want a holiday home in sunny Spain, where you'd like to spend 6 months of the year playing golf. Or that you'd like a little home in the English countryside with a few hens. It doesn't matter what you want. What matters is how you're going to reach that goal, and you might not know how you're going to achieve that. As a life planner, Alan's aim is to get you to that goal, but also to make sure that you're comfortable and enjoy life with money in your pocket along the way. Another thing that a traditional financial planner does is talk. Talk about new pensions, new ISAs, NS&I, investments, anything financial, but nothing to do with living life. Life planners listen, and that's the key. Listening creates a space in which Alan understands what his client is looking for, their aspirations, their future wishes. Alan won't talk at you, selling you bonds or ISAs or pensions. He will listen to what you want. Only when he fully understands what your wishes are will he start working on a plan of action to empower you to make better decisions to reach those goals. And that may well consist of bonds or ISAs, investments or increasing your pension, or whatever other financial tool there is that can help. In brief, Alan delves deeper. He finds out what makes his clients tick, what their values are, and then he applies the finance to it. Alan isn't saying that a traditional financial advisor won't help you reach your goals, but what he does with life planning is enable what you want to happen. He points you in the right direction and keeps you focused on the road to that goal, enabling you to achieve your desires. Thank you for listening.
For more information, visit our website at interfacefinancialplanning.co.uk.